Did you wish that your Apple Watch had a camera? Wristcam can fulfill your wish. The device integrates 2 cameras into an Apple-certified strap that can be controlled via an Apple Watch. The strap is bulkier than a typical Apple Watch strap, as it integrates 2 HD cameras and its own power source. You can instantly capture and share high-quality photo and video straight from your wrist. With 2 Sony cameras, an 8-megapixel world-facing camera designed to take photos and videos of your surroundings, and the other is a 2-megapixel self-facing camera made for taking video calls. Both cameras support video streaming at 1080p. The camera works with Wristcam app on the Apple Watch and allows you to control what the cameras are doing. Company promises full-day battery life with the built-in, independently charging battery. The Wristcam will retail for $299 and comes in 4 basic colors: black, white, gray, and rose. The device is compatible with all iPhones starting at the 6S and all Apple Watches from Series 1 through 6.